Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect ActiveCampaign to build automated email sequences, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect ActiveCampaign and build automated email sequences, start by signing into your ActiveCampaign account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Automations tab on the left sidebar and click on it. On the Automations page, click the Create an Automation button. You will be prompted to choose how to start your automation. Select Start from Scratch to create a new automation from the ground up. Click Continue to proceed to the Automation Builder. Next, you need to add a trigger for your automation. Now, configure the trigger settings as needed and click Save. You should see a canvas area where you can build your automation sequence. To add an action, click the plus icon below your trigger. From the options available, select the action you want to add, such as send an email. After selecting the action, configure its settings accordingly. You can create a new email or choose an existing one from your account. If creating a new email, follow the prompts to customize your email content. Once done, click Save. Continue adding actions or conditions to your automation as needed. To create a delay between emails, click the plus icon and select Wait. Define the duration of the wait period before proceeding to the next action. To branch your automation based on user behavior, use the if/else condition. After adding all desired actions and conditions, review your automation setup. Once satisfied, switch the automation toggle from draft to active to enable it. Finally, test your automation by triggering the event you chose. Monitor the performance of your automation within the Automations dashboard. You can make adjustments based on performance analytics as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.